ain't see the photo. Palm to Miami Beach, here we go though. Gotta do it, they think it's a promo.
Alright, we are here in San Polo Park, trying to get some names on the bar.
You'll make it if you ain't mundane. How you missing church, but live on Sunday? Oh, they didn't really know though. It's actually Nicky Pomo.
Testing out the
I ain't
paint.
like it cause I ain't see the photo. It might not be for you, but live on Sunday, we the body of Christ. Just give me one more. I ain't saying you should jack my moves, and I ain't never saying you should do what I do. And I ain't saying go from the Palms to Miami Beach. I ain't saying that you do that, but baby, my outrage. Just really ain't a game though. They got sin on their mind and they doing what they came for. So why would I take shots and try to change scopes? Yeah, I spit a little bit, but I ain't about to change clothes. Family with me, so when they look and they see how they eating out they palms and they want change from Miami Beach. Ready, here we go though. It's Nicky Pomo. No, I ain't like it, I ain't see the photo. They say I'm really out of touch, but be on the public bus. CDA,